Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Carlos and welcome to my channel. In this channel, you're going to find a bunch of information regarding everything related to health, but more than everything related to health is that what we do in functional medicine is go to the root cause of disease. When you go and work from the root cause, you start going for nutrition, exercise, relaxation, and everything with all that science to recover all the biochemical and physiological processes that has been lost and that are building all the chronic inflammation and all the chronic diseases that we have nowadays in the world. In this channel, you're gonna find information, but more than information, you're gonna have tools. Because today, it's not important just to have information, because you can have information elsewhere. But when you have tools and when you know how to use them, you're gonna help and start with health, because health starts in your own home. Not in my office, not in the hospital, but in your home. So if you like this channel, please subscribe. And once you've subscribed, please hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you're going to be the first one to receive notifications every time we make a new video.